Are you finding yourself making lip balms that just don't cut it? We've all been there. You follow the recipe, but your lip balm ended up like a strange sticky concoction, then a smooth and soothing treat for your lips. In today's video, we're diving into the common blunders that can turn your DIY lip balm dreams into a sticky mess. But don't worry, we're here to transform those oops moments into smooth, luscious lips. Mistakes are inevitable in any creative process, especially in DIY lip balm making. Remember, even the most seasoned makers have faced their fair share of mishaps. So let's learn together and turn those common mistakes into valuable lessons. Balance is essential for crafting the perfect lip balm. Too much wax can make the balm hard and challenging to apply, leading to frustration with every swipe. Conversely, too many oils can create a greasy texture that leaves your lips feeling oily instead of nourished. The key is to find the right ratio of wax to oils for a smooth, creamy consistency. Mistake number 2, overheating ingredients. One of the most common mistakes in lip balm making is overheating your ingredients. While it might be tempting to rush the melting process, doing so can damage the natural properties of your oils and waxes, reducing their effectiveness and therapeutic benefits. Instead, melt the ingredients slowly over low heat, which preserves their delicate nutrients and ensures a luscious texture. So slow down and embrace the process. Mistake number 3, grainy consistency. A grainy texture in lip balm can be disappointing, primarily after you've invested time and effort into your creation. This issue often occurs when ingredients cool at different rates, resulting in uneven textures. I've noticed this happen frequently with shea butter, which solidifies faster than other ingredients. But don't worry, cooling your lip balm texture in the fridge is an easy fix. It creates a more uniform cooling environment, allowing all ingredients to set evenly and ensuring your lip balm is silky smooth. Mistake number 4, skipping a patch test. One of the most crucial steps in DIY lip balm making that often gets overlooked is the patch test. Checking your ingredients on a small skin area before slathering them on your lips is always a good idea. This simple step can prevent unexpected allergic reactions or sensitivities to certain oils or butters. So don't skip this vital test. By avoiding the common pitfalls we've discussed, you'll be on your way to crafting lip balms that feel great and smell delightful. Remember, patience is key in this creative journey. Taking the time to measure your ingredients accurately, melt them gently, and achieve a smooth consistency will make your efforts rewarding. Your homemade lip balm can become a nourishing part of your daily routine or a lovely gift for friends and family. So gather your ingredients, follow these tips, and enjoy your lip balm making adventure. Ready to take your lip balm making skills to the next level? Check out our comprehensive lip balm guide to master crafting the perfect lip balm. Plus, don't miss out on our sweet mint lip balm DIY lip balm kit. It has everything you need to create a smooth, nourishing balm. If you want to stock up on your favorite ingredients, head over to simplyearth.com for individual items that can elevate your creations. For more fun and engaging DIY recipes like this, subscribe to our monthly essential oil recipe box and discover a world of creativity at your fingertips.